All right, so let me quickly share with you how to use Headliner.app. This is the app that I use to turn my audios to videos that I can share on social media.
Does this describe you? I feel stuck. I don't know what people call me. I don't know anything about myself anymore.
Particularly after having released or published a podcast episode. First thing you want to do is either you log in or you sign up. Anyone that is proper for you. If you're just getting to know about this right now, you want to sign up and then you want to log in. So right now I've logged in and I've simply just opened a particular project that I've done before. And what I want to do is I want to play it for you to hear. So you can see this is how I created mine. So I'm going to pause that and I'm going to unlock everything all together so that you can see how I put that together. So first thing is the image is a background. So the image is a background. So I'm using my podcast cover. That is what I used. I simply brought in my podcast cover, and you can upload podcast cover here. You can choose a file and upload from here. So that's what I did. I brought in my podcast cover, and this is my podcast cover here. And for this, I'm simply using an audio. I'm using bricks. So you can choose any style you want here. And I'm using my brand color so that it can match with the design. And what I simply did is to move it up or down. And then I created a space right underneath that to simply show progress bar. I've forgotten how I added it, but I'm going to, this is it, a progress animation. So for progress animation, I simply used my colors as well. So I'm going to try and start something from scratch so that you can see how that works, okay? So I was going to start from scratch. This is what I'm going to do. I'm simply going to click audiogram. And then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose my audio file. How do I find the file? You can paste here to find the file. This is search. It simply goes and then it simply looks through your links. So if you don't want to upload, it simply looks through your link. If you want to upload, you can simply click here and then you can go to your laptop and find the audio on your laptop, okay? If you have already uploaded, if you already have the audio on your laptop. But if you don't want to use that method, if you have already uploaded, particularly if you have shared it on Anchor, you can simply copy the link from Anchor and then come here. Then you can select any episode. So in this case, I'm going to select this particular episode. It's going to pull it out. You can see it has pulled that audio out. So it says select 10 minutes or less of audio. That's how long I can go. I don't need to create 10 minutes. All I just want to do is to create just 2 minutes audio. So clip starts at 00, clip ends at 100. So I'm going to change this to 200. So you can see, because I changed it to 200, the audio itself is just 1 minute 58 seconds. So you can see it simply carries everything at once. And then I click next and then I choose square. You can choose this portrait if you want to share it as a story. You can choose square if you want to share it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. You can choose this if you want to use it for YouTube and your podcast. But this I'm going to choose square. And then you can see this is the audio here now. This is the audio form here. This is the waveform here now. Now for the waveform, I can choose a different type. So here you can have this or you can have this. And so this, I simply move it down here. And then for color, I can simply change the color. So I'm going to select the color here. And you can see that is the color right there. So that's that for the waveform. Now I'm going to close that. And then I'm going to go to image. Because I've already uploaded the image before, that's why you can see the image right here. So if you want to replace the image, you can simply upload another image and that replaces that image for you. Now, progress bar. Do I want to add progress bar? Yes, I always like to use progress bar. So I want to move from this color to this color. That's what it means. So I'm going to change this from purple here. And then I want it to go from purple here to yellow. That's what I want to use. So I'm going to close that. For background, I've already added background. For text, do you want to add text? You can add if you want. And then for this waveform here, I'm simply going to select this waveform and then I'm going to move it a little. So let me move it a little here so that I have that done. So if I do this, I can simply click create project. And you can see this is view templates. It's because I've already saved it as template. That's why it's using that. So if I click create project, it simply says Anktight and it processes that. So here we go. This is all of that loaded up right here. So you can see if I click play now, you can see this is how it goes. Amazing, amazing, isn't it? So let's go back and let me start from scratch. Now, if I'm going to start from scratch, I'm going to click on create. But you see podcast auto videos. Sit back and relax while we transform each episode of any podcast into shareable. So if you click on this, it's going to ask you to bring in audio from anywhere. So I'm going to go on Anchor right now. So let me go on anchor.fm. Let me pick I Am Daya Samuel. Let me go straight to my own podcast. And you can see these are all different audio. These are all different podcast episodes that I've published. Now I want to look for a short one that I can use. So let me use this one here. So let's say this one here, this Roadcasters Mission. If you're on Anchor, you simply click share. And then you simply click on this link, this URL link. So copy that, bring it to Headliner, then click paste, and then click search. It's going to go pull out your audio. You can see it's going to pull out the entire podcast episode. So I'm going to click on this one, and you can see it says English next. And you can see it creates a short video to promote episodes on social media or full-length video to put on YouTube. So if you want to transfer it to YouTube, simply click this. But this one I want to promote on social media. So I'm going to click on this, and then once per episode, it says send me new videos once per episode or weekly, daily. Then you can say video length, Instagram 15 seconds. I'm going to use 30 seconds. That's what I want to use. And then auto caption. You can put auto caption, that is going to caption your audio automatically. I'm not going to add that. And then you can click next. Now, once I do this, what this means is that every time you release a new episode, it's going to turn that episode into video, and then it's going to send you an email that the video is ready. So this is more like you have automated this. So all you just do is you just get a video that you share on your own device that you can put up and say, this is new episode of my podcast. So if I click on next, it's going to ask you which aspect ratio you are using. You can choose square. If you choose square, you can click next, and then you can choose template. So choose templates, or you can pre-made. So if you use pre-made, if I use saved templates, you can see it says I don't have any template saved. So if I had saved that previous template that I used for that one, if I had saved it as a template, I can simply come here and use that. So if it is pre-made, you can simply choose any pre-made. If you want all templates, you can choose that. But for me, because I like to always differentiate what I'm doing from others, I'm going to use this. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cancel it, and then I'm going to go start from scratch. But I just wanted to show you that you can import a full podcast in such a way that your podcast becomes what you get to see every time. Your podcast becomes what you have, that is downloaded to you for hours. And of course, it also exists as an app. So there's app. As at the last time I used this, there was no app for it, and there was no as at the last time I used it, there was no app. So now there's app. If you use Audiogram Wizard, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to projects, and I'm going to turn this particular design, this particular reason, I'm going to save it as a template. So look at here, it's still loading. So it says, what do I want to call the template name? So I'm going to call it DS. So I'm going to call it Mastery Sessions. So do you see that? I'm going to click save. That's instantly turns it into a template, right? The best thing you just need to do is just to click export, and once you export, you want to export this thing. You can see that he added my email here because it's going to send email to you once it's done. Video quality high, you can even have it as medium. Frame rate, you can leave it the way it is. Square, you can leave it the way it is. You don't need to change much. You simply just click export video, and then a few minutes after you've done this, you will receive your video in your email. Now here's what I want you to pay attention to. It says 10 unwatermarked videos left this month. What does that mean? It means every month you only get 10, and of course you may not be releasing up to 10 videos per month, which means you may not be releasing up to 10 episodes per month, except you do your podcast every single day. That's when you'll be publishing 10 different of these every month. So you see, it will most likely cover your needs, especially if you are doing a short if you are releasing just a short clip of your audio, not the entire audio. So I hope with this that you are able to utilize what you've just learned here and use it for yourself and make that make sense for you. And of course, if you want to add transcript, you can upload captions. Sometimes it does transcribe for you, But a lot of times the transcription doesn't work very fine. Media means you can change the picture, you can add anything you want to add. I don't always go to all of that. Do you get that now? So if I go back to, let's say I go back to the beginning and I say, okay, now here if I say auto podcast and I paste that link again, now it's going to pull the link, and I click this and I choose English and I click next and I say, okay, short videos to promote on social media. Now you see 15 seconds, I choose 30 seconds, I say once per episode and I say hide, and I do this, I say next, and then it says template. You can see that the template is now available, so I can choose template. This template simply works right there. So if I click on view templates, I can click on this view template, I can come back to saved and I'll say, okay, I want to use this template. Now it's looking at there's white background rather than purple background, but anyway, it's going to do that. So start setting automatic. So check your inbox soon. We will make your first video to Daya Samuel. Add another automation, so you can see this automates your audio. So anytime you release a podcast episode, it publishes a new video for you and it just sends it to your phone as a short clip that you can share on Facebook, on Instagram, anywhere that you want to share audios. And that's basically how that works. You can see it says one automation running, which means every single time I publish a new video, this sends audio to my email. I can delete it anyway. I can stop it. So I can delete it right here that I don't want it to do once per episode, 30 seconds video. And I can stop it that I don't want. Do you get that? So I'm going to remove the automation and no automation running right now. So you see, that's simply how this works. I hope that you are able to utilize this for yourself and use it to attract more people to do business with you. I am Daya Samuel once again, and I'll see you in the next video.